Good evening, everybody. My name is Cody Stepp. I'm the co-founder of Workflow Secrets and the inventor of the Systems Accelerator Manager. I affectionately call it SAM. I want to start off tonight by sharing a bit of insight into the world of the average real estate agent. But first, we need to talk about the 90%. 90% of real estate agents leave in the first 2 years when customers never come, finances run out because of the demand placed on their life. Right now, the two biggest problems leading to this are time. Agents often spending 14-hour days, 6 days a week, manually performing administrative tasks, lead management, client follow-up, and a host of other things, all while struggling just to stay ahead. And technology. If you were to tap into the zeitgeist of real estate, you would hear the most successful agents preaching the path to success being through automating out your business systems. And though this is correct, few agents can successfully apply this advice due to lack of recorded processes, understanding, or limitations in their technology. This is what Workflow Secrets, with over 3 decades of real estate experience, are working to fix. Some history for you guys. In the 1950s, the Rolodex was invented to house business information. By the 1980s, CD-based software had replaced the Rolodex. Then, in the 1990s, Salesforce launched the first CRM, which allowed you to take things stored in the system, like names, and attach it to things like emails, which to this day is still considered the gold standard for personalization in business communications. That is, until today. Workflow Secrets is working to develop our own category of SaaS-based technology to replace the CRM housing system. The Systems Accelerator is a category of AI-powered tools like SAM designed to create, refine, house, but most importantly, use stored information to aid you with your business system. With SA's Workflow Secrets is working to reimagine the SaaS-based landscape of real estate technology, creating the next step in the evolution of the CRM. So, how do we do this? Well, it all starts with generating custom content for your business written in your voice. Once you have this content created and refined, you can house it on your website, start sending traffic to it. By also adding our chatbot, SamChat, with a single line of code. Now, anyone who visits your site can either trade their details for your resources, or they can engage with SamChat, which will organically gather these details as it's answering their questions. As information comes in, it's then sent to Sam, and a new contact is created. Then, as details are added, Sam uses them to create truly personalized interactions that are designed specifically for the person receiving it. This is done by what we've named the communication matrix. What this means is as you learn about a lead, their likes, dislikes, goals, hobbies, or maybe about their family, and share it with Sam, it's going to use this information to create truly personalized interactions. Now, the other thing it can do is automate out tasks. For each automation, you're asked to define an action or the thing you want to accomplish, an objective or the outcome, to create documents, emails, text messages, schedule appointments, or maybe create a truly personalized interaction for someone to build a better relationship. So, for example, you're given the objective to craft an email for Jose. It's written in your voice, but it's using information about him to personalize it. If Jose prefers text over email, not a problem. Sam will translate a custom text message. If Jose prefers Spanish over English, not a problem. Sam will translate that text into Spanish and then show you both versions for you to proofread before helping send on your behalf. Now with SAM, the gold standard for personalization no longer means simply using merge fields. Now, as we finalize the communication matrix, some of our overall biggest challenges are self-funding and bootstrapping a startup. Right now, most real estate agents are using a SaaS-based CRM, either personal or provided, but only about 10% of the nearly 150,000 of the nearly 1.5 million real estate agents in the United States are using currently available AI tools. We see this as an opportunity for market capture of anywhere from 10 to 40% with a superior product in both spaces, offered at an often lower monthly subscription fee that has plans that fit single agents all the way up to brands as partnerships might be formed. SAM is currently publicly available, already has subscribers, and has the potential to expand past real estate. But ultimately, what sets SAM apart is it's a ground-up use of AI, creating a complete system while freeing up time for the things that matter most: friends, families, hobbies, and growing your business. Thank you for your time.